When you purchase your Merlin garage door motor, it will come standard with 2 little keychain remotes that look like this. And you'll also get a wireless wall button, which often goes in the garage on the wall. So you can go into the garage and just press the button without the need of your keychain remote. There is a range of optional accessories that you can get with your Merlin motor kit, and some of these include, firstly, we have the visor remote, which is one of my favorites. So this actually clips on the visor in your car so that you don't have to be looking for your keys to find your keychain remote. You can just easily press the button on your visor to enter your garage door. The other option is this keypad. So what this does, it can be installed outside of the garage, and then you can set a secret code that will open the garage from that code. I've got one of these at home, and what I really love about it is that when the kids are around and they need to access the garage to get into the house or whatnot, they can just press that code without needing to give them a remote. One of the other accessories is the battery backup. We have one installed up here, and what this does is that if the power does go out, you will still be able to operate your garage door using this battery backup feature. There's also an option to have this LED light, which actually is plugged into a power point and can be operated from your garage door remote. So if your garage doesn't have many lights in it, this is a really great option. One of my favorite features is the option for the My Queue. So that is an app on your phone which allows you to operate your garage door from anywhere in the world. So what we do need when we want to install the My Queue onto your garage door, we do need to install what are called some photo I-beams, which are these little beams at the bottom of the opening. So they create a laser across the opening so that if someone or something special, like a little pet or a person, may be standing here and somebody else has the app open and is trying to press it to close the door, it won't actually close down on them. So when you're up in bed at night and you're wondering, did I close the door? Or if you drove away from your home and you're like, did I close the door? You can quickly open the app and check on there if the door is open or closed. If you would like any more information about any of these accessories, feel free to get in contact, or if you want to see any of them in action, you can come and see us down at our showroom.